Hello, I am back again, and today I thought I'd share how much money I make on my YouTube Adsense. So I have been on YouTube for 9 years now, and over that time I have picked up nearly 20,000 subscribers, which I am very proud of. However, we all hear about how much money people like Mr. Beast are making every month, and I thought I'd do this video to give a bit more of a realistic vision of what people are making with smaller channels on their YouTube channel. So these are my stats for the last 28 days. I've had over 113,000 views, which I think is a lot. Over 750 hours of watch time, and I've picked up 32 new subscribers. This is all in the last 28 days. I post 2 long form videos a week, and I post probably about 10 shorts per week. I post quite a lot on here. And you would think, because I post so many shorts and get so many more views on my shorts than I do my long form videos, you would think I would make more money on my shorts than my videos, but that's actually not true. I make 90% of my money from 10% of my views, which is bonkers. The reason for this is because YouTube pay more money for the adverts at the beginning and end of the long form videos compared to what they do for the shorts. Also, fun fact, if your short is like 3 seconds long or 2 minutes long, you actually get paid basically the same amount for your short. So it doesn't really matter the length of your short, it just matters if people are watching. So over the past 28 days, I have made £52.13. This is across my shorts and my long form videos. So literally, I think £45 of that is my long form videos that's making me my money. However, when I had some shorts go viral, I actually made more money from my shorts than I did my long form videos, but that is only when they got like millions of views. If you're making money from your shorts, it's because you are literally getting millions of views. But generally, if you're just plodding along like I am, it is going to be your long form videos that make you the most money. So I would recommend concentrating on the long form videos like this, the landscape ones, which are like over about 3 minutes, probably about 5 to 10 minutes each. They do take longer to make, but they actually make you a lot more money. So my videos don't get a huge amount of views, but they do clock up over time. And my shorts generally get like anywhere from between about 500 and 5,000 views, but I have had the odd short go viral, which felt pretty good. As for over the year, I have made over £1,000 on my YouTube AdSense. And obviously the biggest money making time of year is Christmas, because that is when all the brands are doing all their advertising. So you get more videos with more ads, and also you get paid more per ad as well. Like my biggest day was like about £20, which is crazy because here I was earning like £2 a day. So it really can ramp up over Christmas how much you make. So if you are eligible for monetization, I would say go hard to post videos over between around October, November and early December, because that is when you're going to make all the money. And if you can control when you go viral, you want to go viral at this time of year, because again, it will be a lot more lucrative than going viral at this time of year. This is like March, April, something like that. And this is how much money I've made over the 9 years of being on YouTube. So when I first joined, I didn't really post any videos at all. And then I made a tiny shred of money, but then they changed the rules around monetization. I think when I first joined, you only had to have 1,000 views to be monetized, and then they made it 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours. And it took me all this time to get up to the monetization. And then it was here that I started making money, and it did grow really well. And I was posting every single day for a long time. And then I got demonetized right here, and it took me 6 months to get back to being monetized. That was a bit of a blow. I think it did cost me around £500, and I did continue to upload videos around that time. But yeah, no money here because I got demonetized. And also when I had a baby, which was around this time, I think, I barely made any videos, but I still got paid, which was really nice. So it is worth knowing that if you are going to take a break, your money will drop, but it won't drop completely. So it was quite nice. I think I was making like around £100 a month at that stage, which when I had a new baby and I was not working, it was handy money to have. So yes, my 9-year total is basically £6,459, but for some of that I wasn't monetized, and for some of that I wasn't monetized here, and also at the very beginning too. I would say I probably made around £1,000 per year in the years that I've been monetized. If I was to give any advice on being monetized, I would just say do a lot of videos, stick to a niche, which I did not do, which I think made growing longer and slower. I would also say to concentrate on long form videos to get your watch hours up. However, I would say shorts are probably where I get most of my subscribers. So you basically want to do long form videos to get your watch time up to 4,000 hours, but you want to do shorts to get your follower number up to 1,000. If you're good at going viral with shorts, you can make a lot of money on that, and you can actually do it with quite quick to make videos. However, the long form videos is where most people see most of their money. So yes, I have nearly 20,000 subscribers. I make around £50 to £100 per month, generally closer to the £50 to £60 mark. The £100 is nearer to Christmas. And while it is good and I do get paid pretty much every month, I would also say that if I, look, you can see bananas. I would say that it is a slow growth and it's not crazy big money unless you're on crazy big like viewers and subscribers. And I hate to sound awful, but please, please, please ignore all the people that tell you that you can make 6 figures per month on your YouTube channel if you sign up to their course, because I promise you, I have done a course. It didn't really help me. It did cost me a lot, but it didn't help me. And also, this is the realistic number of what you're making if you've got 20,000 subscribers. It's good, it's not great. And if you spend a lot of money on buying a course, it might actually not make you as much money as you think, but cost you a lot more than you expect. Anyway, that's my video. I hope it's of help. I do really enjoy my YouTube money. I do hope it will grow. At Christmas, it is better. And I also make affiliate money too via my YouTube videos, but it isn't Mr. Beast style money. So I just thought I'd share so you've got more of a realistic vision of what you can make on YouTube. And again, these are my monthly stats and I worked really hard for them, so I'm really proud of them. And I'm also really proud of the money that I make. I just don't want people to think that they are going to be instantly rich from YouTube, because it's been 9 years and I make around £50 to £60 a month. Anyway, that's my video. I love doing YouTube. Do it for the joy. Don't necessarily do it for the money. And please don't buy an expensive course. It's not worth it.